about your, I mean, present plans? What exactly you guys are into?
Yeah, we can talk.
You can start with that.
To reply. Okay, so to start with this concept of mafia and the breakups. So what inspired you to come out with this kind of a concept?
Actually,
Was there actually some breakups, right?
obviously growing up there are breakups हमारे भी हुए हैं लाइफ में like everybody else. But I think the realization was just that because हम 4 साल के we were playback singers and we have sung for all actresses and now I think it was a good time that we start featuring in our own music videos because right now so many people are doing their own music and it's as good as doing movies. Right now is a very good time where musicians are given a lot of importance and when you talk about India, when you talk about यहाँ के pop stars, we have Badsha, Guru, we have all these guys who are rappers. But when you talk about girls who are really doing their music, इतने सारे नहीं. So somebody really has to like come up and make this change happen. So that's why we're just
because I think that's how it is in the West. If you ever go outside India, there's a place called Hollywood where the actors who don't sing exist, and there's a place where all the songs that you hear from Hollywood are actually sung by singers who are just as big as actors. So I think that change of ways is coming slowly, in Bollywood as well. Bollywood is becoming a place where people, there are actors, there are directors and producers. But I think when you talk about the indie pop scene, जैसे पहले था जब बैंड ऑफ बॉयज़ और वीवा जैसे बैंड एग्जिस्ट करते थे, आई थिंक इट्स ऑल कमिंग बैक एंड पॉप म्यूजिक इज कमिंग बैक. देयर इज एन ऑडियंस टुडे टू लिसन टू नॉन फिल्म. इफ यू गो टू एनी पार्टी, आधे गाने शायद आप सुनेंगे वो सब फिल्म के होंगे. आई थिंक 4 out of those 5 songs will be singles.
And we are born in an era where we used to listen to Shan, Lucky Ali, all of these artists so much, like the entire pop scene. जो actually वो videos होते थे, we've grown up at a time where all of that was so big. And it's only now, उसके बाद remix का भी era रहा है for the longest time. Now recreations are happening again in movies, but I think originals, like they said, originals really need to come in the front and really be the sound of music right now.
Okay, what are your future plans? I mean, any new albums or remixes?
Of course, there are movie songs coming. Like we've sung some of the biggest songs. She's sung "Kar Gayi Chol," "Love Sung Hawa Hawa." If you go on YouTube, there are like 250 million views. But at the end of it, if you're a playback singer, you'll never be the face of your own music. And that's what we're trying to change at this time because we want to be the face of our music. We need all the support in the world, right now to help us make these songs. And जब आप independent गाने लिखते हैं, there is no creative block, there is no particular brief. You're not trying to suit somebody's face. You're making songs for yourself, and I think that's our journey now. Like our indie pop journey has, begun.
You both are incredibly beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I think you will really need a good Bollywood break. I mean,
But
you
that's the
just
point, sir. We
cannot
don't want
stick
to
to,
do it through Bollywood.
pop singing and all that.
Sir, आजकल
I
मतलब
mean-
आप बताओ, in a movie there are 6 songs, 1 or 2 will work. Right now, because that's why albums don't make sense. Singles make sense. You do one song after the other. You should just keep on doing singles. For us, it's always been like we enter into a studio and sing for an actress where we are told what's happening and you sound a certain way, which is amazing, which is our playback bit of it. But I think right now, whoever wants to pursue music, because इतने सारे singers हैं and you don't get to sing in every movie. You don't even get to sing in every third movie. But as long as you can sing, I think in this digital media, we have YouTube, we have so many things that we can do. So if you really want to put out your music, you can, and no one can stop you right now.
So when you plan a music video, how much effort does it take? And could you give some details as to what you do to
I think
come to
first
the
is-
final product at the end of it?
I think first would be make a good song. I think if I have to name any song that's really worked, I have to say Lamborghini is the best example that I can give anybody right now. वो गाना I think बच्चे से elderly सबको पता है, every word of that song, and that's truly because it's a commercial song that doesn't need any film support. It doesn't need actors to make it popular because it's a good song. So I think number one would be make a good song.
And then I think a team played a very important role. When we presented the song to Universal, to the Varanasi team, they actually came up with such an amazing concept and they were like, okay, it was actually very solid. I've had such a good time working with them because, we worked, our last single was also in February, I think, and now there's one in June. So now we're going to start planning the next one. So the process is always going on. हमारा काम सिर्फ गाना बनाना है. Then we give it to their hands and then they take care of everything.
I think the whole idea of this, the video जो आपने अभी देखा है वो इतना खुश वीडियो था, and it was, the concept was a house party but you know people our age having a good time, a beach, a sundowner. ये सब I think Universal के ideas थे. They wanted to change that image that instead of crying about boys you can actually have a good time, you know. You don't have to always be sad.
How will you take a decision when somebody comes knocking your door and asks for one person to venture into a big project? I mean,
sure,
what
I
will be
think,
that decision? Who will be Sukriti or Prakriti? I mean, who will be taking?
Abhi, you know, it's so funny because abhi tak, matlab for the last 4 years, we've always sung differently and it's always been like our dream that we do one song together, but हर movie में एक ही actress होती है, so that's not happened yet. But for all our lives, I think since we were 16, 17, we've been performing together. So it's always Sukriti and Prakriti live in our concerts. But अगर कोई ऐसी movie आती है which we can relate to and it's about music or something like that, we would definitely think about it.
And Prakriti and Sukriti, both of you.